Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and these are your teasers for the upcoming week of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. On Monday the 23rd of December 2024, Jengaye frees Nomfundo from his clutches. However, she is disappointed when Olisi refuses to accept the conditions of her freedom. Vusi is excited to start over with Utrina. Then on Tuesday, the 24th of December, the Mbambo family convenes at their umsamo seeking Mbali's forgiveness. Peteni is unsettled upon discovering the helpers visited Unomfundo. Then on Wednesday, the 25th of December, Peteni goes all out for her traditional Christmas lunch, but Trina and Vusi make an unceremonious appearance. Nomfundo feels lonely and reaches out to Utemba, but is shut down. Guys, I feel sorry for Unomfundo because I'm just like, did Upeteni's plan work? Is she really trying to keep Utemba away from his own mother, you guys? And I'm wondering Utemba, because he hasn't been speaking to his mother for a while. Yeah, Nutini, knowing very well that Diana no Mawaki or close, and this Upeteni told some sort of lie which Nomfundo ubizing and isn't Jalo. But that's going to be interesting to see, you guys. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.